Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 27th of May. And first of all, national news. Worldwide words. Shashi Tharoor suggested bookstore name. Internet delighted. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal directed all state-run sports facilities to stay open till 10 p.m. US envoy praised India for providing humanitarian aid to Afghanistan. Fresh play in Supreme Court challenge Places of Worship Act 1991. Monsoon advanced to Sri Lanka after 6 days pause onward to Kerala. After a 6 day pause, the southwest monsoon has started lingering towards Kerala, having covered southern Sri Lanka on Thursday, the weather office said. COVID has not gone away. Continue to wear mask, Maharashtra Chief Minister. Three Lashkar terrorists shot dead in Jammu and Kashmir, infiltration foiled. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Chennai Thursday to lay the foundation stone for 11 projects, including a highway project between Bangalore and Chennai. And now some international news. Money is making some nations tolerant to Russia's aggression, Ukraine's Zelensky. China's strategy, a rules based order, not a Cold War, top US diplomat. No intention to build Solomon Islands, a military base, says China. German surfer Sebastian Studner smashed world record by riding 86 feet monster wave. Ukraine war. Putin met wounded Russian soldiers for the first time. And now some sports news. Rohan Bonappa, Matway Middle Coupe entered French Open pre-quarterfinals. Asia Cup Hockey, India beat Indonesia 16-0, qualify for Super Fours. And now let's have a look on weather. The weather on May 27th in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 38 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 30 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.